Did you know that an inefficient pool cleaner can waste hours of energy and still leave behind leaves, sand, and debris? The right pressure side pool cleaner does more than just skim. It scrubs, sweeps, and deep cleans, giving you sparkling water without the hassle. In this guide to the best pressure side pool cleaners, we will explore 5 top-rated models that are built to tackle even the messiest pools with ease. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Fantic Aero X Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. Last on our list is the Fantic Aero X, a modern take on pool cleaning that blends robotic automation with pressure-style cleaning power. Though not a traditional pressure-side cleaner, its performance and coverage make it a strong competitor in this category, especially for tech-savvy homeowners seeking convenience and smart features. What sets the Aero X apart is its ability to clean the waterline, something many pressure-side cleaners struggle with. Using a high-speed brush system and an adaptive navigation setup, it reaches 2 inches above the waterline and scrubs efficiently in both vertical and horizontal patterns. This cleaner is powered by a rechargeable battery that runs for up to 6 hours, making it perfect for large pools up to 500 square meters. Its onboard navigation, called Aquapilot, uses 12 sensors to map and clean in a zigzag and edge-following path. The result is up to 95% area coverage, minimizing missed spots. The powerful dual-motor system and variable speed pump deliver high-speed water drainage, ensuring fast and effective debris removal from pool floors, walls, and waterlines. Number 4. AmptyHub Upgrade Pool Pressure Side Sweeper. Fourth on our list is the AmptyHub AP2000, a pool pressure side sweeper that delivers strong performance and efficient cleaning at a mid-range price. Designed for in-ground pools with an existing booster pump setup, this model combines thoughtful engineering with user-friendly features to offer a well-rounded cleaning experience. One of the most notable upgrades in this version is the 4-wheel design, which greatly enhances balance and coverage. Older 3-wheel models are more prone to tipping and getting stuck, but the AmptyHub sweeper moves more freely and stays upright as it scrubs and sweeps the floor and walls. The model is built from high-quality plastic material and is designed to resist wear even with frequent use. Maintenance is another area where this cleaner shines. Replacement parts are easy to find and compatible with Polaris 380 debris bags, making it easy to keep the sweeper in working order. Number 3. Polaris Quattro P40 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Quattro P40 takes pressure side pool cleaning to a new level with its advanced technology and multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Built for in-ground pools, this model is a premium choice for homeowners who want top-tier performance and are willing to invest in quality. Its wide cleaning coverage from the floor to the waterline ensures a comprehensive clean, leaving no area untouched. The Quattro P40 uses 3 powerful Venturi jets to provide strong vacuum suction, efficiently pulling in both fine particles and larger debris such as leaves, pebbles, and acorns. It is equipped with an oversized debris intake that handles tough cleanup jobs with ease. This is further enhanced by its dual filtration canister system, which separates fine and coarse particles for easier emptying and better efficiency. Its design includes scrubbing brushes that actively clean surfaces, not just glide over them. These brushes help to remove dirt stuck on walls and waterlines, giving you a visibly cleaner pool in less time. Number 2. Makun Upgrade Pool Pressure Side Sweeper. Second on the list is the Makun Upgrade Pool Pressure Side Sweeper, a solid choice for pool owners seeking a professional-grade cleaning experience without the premium price tag. Designed to clean in-ground pools of various sizes and shapes, this unit provides a highly efficient cleaning pattern, especially useful for pools with lots of curves or unique layouts. Its upgraded 4-wheel design offers enhanced stability, ensuring it does not flip or get stuck during operation. Built from durable plastic components, this model is made to withstand regular use and varying pool conditions. Number 1. Polaris VacSweep 280 Pressure Side In-Ground Pool Cleaner. Topping our list of the best pressure-side pool cleaners is the Polaris VacSweep 280, a trusted name in pool maintenance that delivers both efficiency and reliability. Built for in-ground pools, it is designed to work in tandem with a separate booster pump. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.